In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your hidden games on Steam public. So if you have a list of hidden games that you wanted to be private, but you like to go ahead and remove them or even view the list of hidden games, then I'll show you in this video. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. First, to see all the games that are hidden on Steam, it is simple. Just head over to this option called View. And then from here, you can see we have an option called Hidden Games. If you go ahead and click on Hidden Games, you can see we have the list of all your hidden games here. Currently, I only have one hidden game. To remove it from the hidden list or make them public, just go ahead and right click on it and then choose this option Manage, and then choose the first option Remove from Hidden. If you remove from hidden, now you can see the hidden list is empty. Now to see all your games that you have removed from the hidden list, you can go ahead and just click here on Show All Collections, and you'll see all your games are available under Library. So that's how you can remove your hidden games from hidden list on Steam. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.